I'm starting to lose light, but I have Jade and Chloe here on the table, and I'm just letting their hair air dry, and you can see it really looks nice and smooth. When I started to work on Megan, it looks like a couple areas of her hair have some roughness down in. Now, I don't know if it was crimped originally on the original doll or what exactly is going on there, but I'm just going to show down the back of their hair here too. Okay, so hers is a lot longer, so it's just hanging down over the edge of the table there. Anyway, I did decide to boil her hair, wash it. It's just basically boiling it. You're not really washing it. And I'll be showing that next. So anyway, here's just a quick one before we totally lose light here. Just showing these girls sitting drawing. So I'll work on them tomorrow and style their hair.